Poppo Live Google Sign In tutorial, how to log in with your Google account easily. So let's get started. All we need to do is open up our Poppo right here. Once we open up Poppo right here, we can agree with the OK. Now sign in with the Google easily. Click on log in with Google right there. Press on that. Then there you go, user agreement. Click on accept. Then we'll just pause it again. Now we just click on agree and share. Now there, once we have agreed and shared, we just have to wait for a few moments. There you go. Now we can change our name. So let's put in Viklan Jerna. Birthday. Mail. Then click on submit. Request location access, but right now you can confirm that if you really want to have for you to have friends right here, but if you don't, you can always click on cancel, because once you click on confirm, it always finds you the nearest people you want to be with in the app, or maybe yeah. So yeah, there you guys, that's how you do it. Once you are logged in, there you go. And now once you click on the bottom right corner, you will see, there you go, I see, and you'll see there your account right here. Also, see Clencher. Yeah, that's how you log in with your Google account, or Google. That's how you sign up with your Google. So there, I hope you guys enjoy. If you have a question, concerns, sabi the question below, guys. Happy to answer as soon as possible in here on how to rock it, guys. Anyways, guys, there you go. So yeah, there you go, and thank you, guys.